With a fabulous view overlooking Indian Summer's golf course's 8th fairway, the homeowners tasked the Family Man team with installing a panoramic glass door so they could enjoy the scenery inside and out. The job was not as simple as it sounds. The homeowners selected a door that required a 91-inch by 145-inch rough opening. This called for an 8-inch steel I-beam header engineered for the span and low headroom clearance. After lots of careful planning, engineering, and permits, the installation was smooth sailing with the steel beam installed tight against the second-story floor joists. To complete the exterior, the team constructed a beautiful picture-framed composite deck which provides a space to enjoy the landscape and watch fellow golfers. While many seek shelter indoors when it starts to rain, these homeowners wanted to embrace the iconic Pacific Northwest weather with an exterior space they could use year-round. A custom-designed covered patio with skylights and a wind-bearing wall protects them from the elements. A gas-burning fireplace with a custom mantle provides warmth on colder days and contributes to the overall upscale feel of the outdoor living space. With room for a large barbecue and outdoor furniture, the homeowners still have plenty of space to entertain their family and friends. Designed to blend with the existing exterior of the home, the covered patio looks like an extension of the house from the road.